Right now I'm talking to a lot of people that are sick and tired of the holiday turkey and dressing, but I'm going to share with you a recipe today that I think is the very best for leftover turkey. I'm John Woods. Welcome to All Things Food. I love to cook, but I cook to love, and today we're going to cook creamed turkey gravy on an English muffin. You're going to absolutely love it. This is my all-time favorite breakfast recipe, and I love it when Thanksgiving and Christmas come around and we have the leftover turkey. I could eat this just about every day. I love it any day of the year. Simple ingredients: celery, onion. We're going to saute in some butter. We don't want to get it overcooked, not over brown. Cream of mushroom, cream of celery, cream of chicken, pimentos, good old English muffins, or you can use toast, or you use a little milk to thin that down, salt and pepper, and that's it. So here's our leftover turkey. We're just going to chop it up as good as we can. So I've heated this up a little bit. I'm going to throw some butter in there, then I'm going to throw my vegetables in. And we don't want to get these overcooked. I don't want them to brown. I just want them to tenderize a little bit. I love that smell. Anytime you put celery and onions together and some butter, it's fabulous. So we're going to let those cook. We're not adding garlic. Don't add anything to this. It's just not salt, pepper. Just leave it exactly like it is. And cook those until they're a little tender. And then what we're going to do after that, we're going to take our cream soups, just at equal portions. If you want to go all celery, all chicken, all mushroom, whatever you want to do, make this your own recipe. But I like the trio, the trinity here, the combination of all three of them. And I'm going to put them all in here in just one moment. I'm going to go ahead and add some pimentos in there. I'm going to start adding my soup. This is the cream of celery, full can of it. You can use that any kind of soup you want. You make your own if you want to. Stir that in real good. Cream of mushroom. In fact, sometimes I make it with just cream of mushroom. I really am fond of that particular way to do it. But for you, I wanted to show what the options are. Stir all that in. Now we're going to come in with our cream of chicken. This is really, really great when you make your own cream soups. We don't have time to do that today. I just want to show you an easy leftover, holiday leftover, turkey leftover recipe. Mix all that together. And then I'm going to add about half a can of milk for each can, so that'd be 1.5 cans of milk. Don't use a full can per can of milk. Use half a can, so with 3 cans, that'd be 1.5 cans of milk. Stir that together. You can use heavy cream if you like. Now I'm going to take all this turkey over here. I'm going to just drop it right in there. Now I don't salt or pepper this until it's completely finished because I don't want to ruin it. I don't want it to get too salty. We're going to let all those flavors blend together. So I'm going to let this simmer a good hour, then we'll come back and check on it, okay? So this has been simmering on the stove for about a good hour. And it's looking really good. I'm going to push this aside over here. We're going to get our plate. I've got 2 English muffins. You can use toast or whatever you want to use. We're going to get a nice generous scoop. I put some butter on that. That just gives it that little extra flavor and kick. And now that's a generous scoop. I don't get chintzy when I serve. I'm going to have my ground pepper, black pepper. Put it right on there. And folks, I tell you, I can't emphasize to you, you don't get any better than that with leftovers from turkey. That's absolutely tremendous. I just shared with you today a family favorite of mine. I could eat this every day, as I told you. Cream turkey gravy with leftover turkey. Hit the like button. Be sure to share this with your friends. Hit the subscribe button. But remember, I'm John Woods. This is All Things Food. But most importantly, love to cook and cook to love. And go cook you some cream turkey gravy.